So by now, I'm sure you've heard all the buzz on how great owning and operating a short-term rental is. But you're concerned that all the constant cleaning, communication, and turnover will be way too much for you to handle during your crazy busy work week. Or let's say you live out in the suburbs and you ask yourself, why would anyone want to vacation all the way out here? With this course, I'll be giving you all the strategies, resources, and tools you need to take your short-term rental from a fun side project to a money-making machine, regardless of the size or location. I'm Ben Einspar, house hacking specialist with Envision Advisors. Before Envision, I was working that traditional W-2 job everyone finds himself into, and I was on the fast track up the corporate totem pole. Sounds great, right? Well, the issue with that is I knew exactly where my path was 2, 5, and 10 years down the road, and I wasn't okay with it. So my solution was to keep my expenses very low and house hack every 12 to 18 months. So what this did is it gave my wife the power to work part-time and be a full-time mother, which is great. And for me, it gave me the power to leave that corporate W-2 job and pursue a career I truly find passion and joy in, which is helping people like you optimize your short-term rental property. As a short-term rental operator myself, I've gotten plenty of black eyes of trying to learn things through trial and error. So when I created this course, I asked myself one question: what tools and resources do I wish I had when I first started out? The result is a step-by-step guide that will help you from start to finish how to set up and operate your short-term rental through my years of experience. We begin this course from the day you close on your property and walk you through every step throughout the process. But we just won't be showing you how to do that. We'll be giving you the tools you need to be successful. From a list of supplies and where to find them, how to price and plan for those dreaded slow seasons, and the resources you need to make sure your property is following the local city rules and regulations that are consistently changing. After finishing this course, you'll know exactly what you need to do to make sure your listing gets the most eyes and views on it by using local, actual short-term rental listings as case studies. One of the most common questions I receive is, Ben, what do I do if my local city rules and regulations change on me and I'm not allowed to operate a short-term rental anymore? Well, I've got you covered because we have a bonus module covering everything you need to know about transitioning your property from a short-term rental to a medium-term rental. By signing up for this course, you'll not only have access to our community of like-minded investors with goals very similar to yours, you'll receive a 60-minute one-on-one call with me so I can help answer your unique questions tailored to your specific property. So if you've been waiting for the right moment to start your path towards financial freedom through short-term rentals, now is the time. Click on the button to sign up for the course, and I'll see you there.